In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail loading problems. Whether you're experiencing issues with Gmail loading slowly or not launching at all, this guide is designed to help you troubleshoot and resolve these problems efficiently. Let's get started. First, you want to check if the issue is with your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can often be the root cause of loading problems. Try to open another website and see if it loads normally. If not, resetting your router might be a simple solution. Just turn off the router, wait for about a minute, and then turn it back on. This often resolves connectivity issues, providing a fresh start for your internet connection. If your internet is not the issue, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, these files can accumulate and affect your browser's performance. To clear them, go to your browser settings. Most commonly, you'll find this in the Options or Preferences menu. Look for the section on privacy or browsing data, and you should see an option to clear cache and cookies. Once you've done that, restart your browser and try accessing Gmail again. Sometimes browser extensions can interfere with Gmail's performance. It's a good idea to disable any extensions that you don't need or suspect might be causing problems. In most browsers, you can manage extensions from the Tools or More Options menu. Disable them one by one, refreshing Gmail each time to see if the issue resolves. This way, you can pinpoint the culprit and decide if you want to remove it permanently. If you've tried all of the above and Gmail still isn't loading properly, you may want to consider updating your browser to the latest version. Browsers are regularly updated to improve speed, security, and compatibility with websites like Gmail. You can usually find the update option under the Help or About section in your browser's menu. Install any available updates, restart your browser, and check if Gmail loads correctly. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, it might be worth trying a different browser altogether. Sometimes, Gmail functions better on one browser than another. Popular alternatives include Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge, any of which are worth trying if your primary browser isn't cooperating. I hope this guide has been helpful in resolving your Gmail loading problems. With these steps, you should be well on your way to having a smooth and reliable experience with your email. If you have any questions or if a step worked particularly well for you, feel free to share in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.